So here we have the Mercedes-Benz 1.5 A180 SE automatic on a 64 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the boot area that the car has got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get half leather seats, which look fantastic. They're in great condition as well, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on this dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the speedometer and fuel gauge, and on the right hand side the rev counter and oil temperature gauge. In the middle you'll see the total miles for the car, which are 17,638, and then beneath that it will show you what gear we're in. As it's an automatic, it shows P for park at the moment, and on Mercedes the automatic gearbox is actually controlled using the right hand stalk just there. You do have a plus and minus either side of the steering wheel, which you can use to change gear manually should you wish to. And then there's the rest of the steering wheel. So the arrows on this side will change the information on the trip computer up there. So fuel range, etc. Or you can have a digital readout for the speedometer, which you see there. It's all done with these buttons. And on the right hand side, we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you pair up a phone, hit that button, ask it to dial someone on your contacts list, and it will do that for you. The pairing up of the phone happens on this central screen just here. Everything that you see up here, so if I highlight, for example, telephone, I'm doing that using this lever here, which will move up and down like a joystick, left and right. It will twist and it will push down. So if I select phone and push it down, that's where we would then enter a phone number to pair up the phone, or we can connect device down the bottom here. And there's a little back button down on that system as well, which will always take you back one space, allow you to go to the system menu, audio. So this car's got FM and AM radio. You can also connect up a device via USB should you wish to. Whichever way you want to listen to music you can do, and it's all very, very simple to use. Beneath there we've got the CD player just here, and a few of the kind of buttons you can push. So instead of using the wheel down the bottom there, you could just press radio, for example, and it will bring up the radio presets and options instead of, as I say, using this system just here. The climate control is down here. So temperature is controlled with this dial, so hot round to cold. Fan speed over on the right hand side. This button will turn the air conditioning on or back off again. We then have little cubby holes that open. This one's got a 12-volt charging socket in it. This one is for a cup holder essentially. And then all the way back in the central armrest we've got the USB input to collect up a music device. So all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.